Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm unboxing Medusa's makeup. Last time I was saying how I was on the fence about continuing to subscribe, but I decided to go ahead and keep my subscription as it's the holiday boxes in November, December. And then I talked to someone at Medusa's Makeup and they said I could pause my subscription, so I might do that after December. It's $16.95, so it's a good value and it's not too much money. So it's more like I have so much product of Medusa's Makeup now. So anyway, you open it up. It's got this tissue paper, pretty little pretty stars on the box. And unwrap the tissue, and the first thing it says, Holiday Glam Series Part 2 is coming next month. Oh my goodness. It's cruelty-free and vegan. Here's some stuff. We're not going to look at that though. It's going to be a surprise for both of us. Here's a little card from Lovebird. And Lovebird it's Medusa skincare or the skincare company that is like a sister company or they partner with. I'm not sure. But Lovebird is 100% cruelty-free and vegan. It's paraben-free as well. And this is just an ad for Lovebird and a little card. So it has lovebirdbeauty.com. So I feel like it's a company that they probably partner with, but I don't know. Okay, first thing in here is eye dust frosting. Ooh, that is a I'm all crazy about this, like squealing, but anyway, it's a light pink, very pale pink, and I really like their eye dust. It's a loose pigment that comes in a little shaker. Okay, so that's pink and shimmery there. That's really pretty. I could see that as an inner corner or on the lid. So I really like Medusa's Makeup's loose powder. I don't use a lot of loose powder though, to be honest. I use pressed powder more. But Medusa's Makeup has really good loose powder. The next thing in here is from Lovebird. So I get why they're putting that in there. It's the Hippy Dippy Facial Serum, the Uplifting Facial Serum. Has sweet almond oil, frankincense, and myrrh oil. Oh, I can smell that. It does smell like frankincense and myrrh. I mean, obviously it's in there. Oh, that smells really good. I think the almond oil kind of sweetens the frankincense and myrrh. And so it's not as, you know how frankincense and myrrh is kind of like earthy and deep? This is like brighter. I mean, it's earthy and deep undertone for sure in there, but there's a little bit of brighter smell, I think because of the almond oil. Not sure. Anyway, that's nice. And then Disco Queen. This is their Sparkle Lip Gloss. And I feel like I want to put some on top of my lipstick. This is called Night Fever. Because it's totally disco. It's kind of like a peachy brown. Oh my goodness. It smells kind of good. Oh my god, it smells like frosting. Oh my goodness, that looks really good. Okay, so I'm wearing a Dose of Colors Dry Down Liquid Lipstick right now. And I can't remember the color. Is it Nude Mood or Nude something nude something. Anyway, definitely this combo is nice. I like this. So that'll be happening again. Okay, so the last thing in this box here is lip and cheek stain. Ooh, that smells good too. It's like, is it cherry or something? Anyway, here's what it looks like. I think it's like cherry or something. I don't usually use lip stain. I could try this and see if I like it, but I've tried other lip stain and haven't liked it. But ooh, that's nice. So very, very subtle. I'm just using a teeniest little bit. But that's kind of a nice, like, reddish blush. But it's nice, just lightly patted in, just like that. I like that. So that's everything in this month's box. Again, here is, oh, that pink stuff. It says it was a custom color. So that was I guess that's our holiday special eye dust. So that's cool. I like that. So it's a $50, well, $49.95 value, and I got it for $16.95. I don't feel burdened, by these things. These are things I don't have. This obviously is beautiful, and then this facial serum it's just like 4 little things that I'll definitely use, and I'm not gonna feel like it's gonna be a burden to my makeup collection. So anyway, I'm still on the fence, but I'm definitely going to keep for December, and we'll see how that goes. Do you use Medusa's makeup? Do you get the subscription box? Are you thinking of getting the subscription box? Any questions? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.